something that I'll work out, won't I?
Oh shit.
Yeah, alright then.
It's a bit of a mess.
Alright, speak to you in a bit. Alright, bye.
Shit.
Just be careful because the cars are all going to come along this way as well. But it's quite a nasty place. Right, it's clear, so you can just go. That's a witness. Don't.
So is the road actually closed or no?
No, there's the recovery truck.
What's that saying?
The recovery truck's coming round.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how we're going to get through.
Don't know.
We'll just wait here. You might want to indicate out because there are cars behind you. Go on, you can go. No.
I know, man. Fucking hell, look, stay to that, look.
No, but just be careful. Be careful, there's a footpath.
I see him, Mick. That's why I was wearing high vis.
Yeah, but I didn't want him to creep out round the corner and you not see him and you clip his foot or something.
Yeah. Oh, just tilted it downwards tonight.
But that was weird, like, just a couple of hours ago it was like daylight and you could see it.